Sylvain Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Cyrene, the fastest brute.
He's down!
Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is!
Unbelievable! Fire from the side. Down he went, on the back to the caddy.
Clapton is believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looks hurt.
Nowhere to keep the air. He's rolled through the tarmac, gone up quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't.
Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has won.
Well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now have straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales there following Morbidelli.
Into Quartararo.
End of this one then as they now head around.
He's rolled through the tarmac, gone up quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give a
Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso.
Marquez, look at Miller, he's charging through but he's gone deep.
Jack Miller was brisking into turn two. They're side by side. Marquez and Dovizioso. Did they up 20 kilometres an hour? How tight was that, Marquez? Up the inside. They both run wide.
Neither of them were giving that one up, and it's we have a Yamaha leading of Quartararo.
Wow.
Oh, he's off the seat there, Marquez. Marquez. Miller goes through. Rins goes through. Remarkable. And now Rins goes up the inside of Marquez. Oh, and Dovy's up the inside as well.
Leads Alex